Earning Your Stripes, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a popular English idiom, earning your stripes. This phrase is widely used and has an interesting background. Whether you're an English learner looking to understand native expressions or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore the meaning, origins, and how to use earning your stripes in everyday conversation. Earning your stripes refers to gaining experience or achieving recognition in a particular field or activity through hard work and dedication. It implies that the person has gone through the necessary challenges or stages and has proven their ability or worthiness. The phrase can be used in various contexts, including professional, educational, and personal growth areas. The term, earning your stripes, originates from the military, where stripes on a uniform indicate a soldier's rank or years of service. The more stripes one has, the higher their rank or the longer they have served. This military tradition has been adopted into everyday language to signify gaining experience or moving up through effort and achievement in any field. This phrase is versatile and can be used in several contexts. Here are a few examples. In a job setting, she really earned her stripes in the company by leading that successful project. In personal development, he's earned his stripes as a marathon runner, training every day for a year. In education, after studying hard and acing all her exams, she has truly earned her stripes. When using earning your stripes, it's important to remember it's typically used to acknowledge someone's efforts or achievements after they have occurred. Avoid using it to describe someone just starting out or still learning the ropes. It's a recognition of achievement, not a prediction of future success. Earning your stripes is a powerful idiom that encapsulates the journey of hard work, perseverance, and ultimate recognition. We hope this guide has shed some light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, every expert was once a beginner earning their stripes. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you.